Recording live from Jane Equipment. Today we're shooting something a little different. I'm actually going to be sharing with you something that we're doing in our building right now to help us disinfect our office. We've been having a lot of success with something that we've repurposed to do this job, and I just want to share with you guys. This is something that maybe you could add to a service. Right now with all the coronavirus epidemic going on, a lot of people are scared, rightfully so. And a lot of people are trying to figure out how they can disinfect quickly and effectively and safely. And like I said, this is something that we're using in our office here at Jane Equipment. We found a lot of success with it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Obviously, since we are repurposing what is a HVLP sprayer for this job, you got to be smart about what you're doing. Since we're repurposing a tool that does one thing to do another, always follow, manufacturer's recommendations, especially on your cleaning products. And then one thing, the two tips I'll give you that are pretty straightforward to me is, number one, don't spray anything flammable through this because it is a 12-volt system. And then number two, make sure you're spraying in a well-ventilated area and that you're not locking yourself in a room with chemicals. Outside of that, always follow manufacturer's recommendations and safety data sheets on any chemicals you use. But outside of that, let me just show you something we've found a lot of success with. So every morning, we've been disinfecting our office with this device here, mixing some disinfectant in here, and I just want to show you why this is so good. What it's going to do is, instead of soaking my computers or my monitors or my telephone or electronic devices, this is going to aerate it into a mist so I can safely spray whatever I want to spray directly onto my electronics. I just want to show you that in action. So right there you see, with no fear whatsoever, I was able to just spray down this entire computer desk. I sprayed the keyboard, I sprayed the monitors, I sprayed the phone. The reason we're able to do it is because instead of spraying large amounts of volume of the cleaning product and not soaking our electronics, we're actually just misting it with disinfectant. Really quick way to wipe stuff down. Just going to do this desk next just to show you how quick it is. So here we go over here on this side, and I'll just show you how quick I can get this done. And as you can see, because I'm aerating it and spraying the chemical or disinfectant in such small particulates, I'm not really soaking everything. I don't have much concern when I'm spraying my copy machine here. Even though this is a $2,000 copy machine, I know I'm not going to damage it because I didn't just soak it. I really just misted it with this. I'm able to wipe it down and move on, without having to worry too much about causing any damage. We've been able to spray our whole office down with this within 30 minutes every single morning. It's kind of our process right now to help us disinfect all of our computers, monitors, keyboards, mouses, door handles. We fill this up and we're able to do 5 different rooms in one office building with multiple computers and multiple workstations. The speed we've been able to do it has actually been surprising to us, which is really why I'm shooting a video. I just want to share this with all you contractors out there. Now is the time. A lot of us are essential. We are trying to stay busy. Maybe homeowners are asking you for extra services, and if you can do anything inside their house, you can. With something as simple as this. I'll leave a link to the product below the video. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe. Wash on.